Hey, my dolls, I'm kicking off my home for the holiday series with Luisa NY. They were kind enough to send out some pieces for me to show you guys, to get you guys some ideas on your gift giving needs, especially if you have a jewelry lover. These are the Soldado hoops. They're going to be about $65. I love this set. So cute and chic. And then the next item I'm going to show you is the Chloe ring. She's about $59. She's going to give you that stack look. So you can definitely purchase more than one to, get your own midi ring or stack them with other rings that you purchased from Ana Luisa. And then the next earring set that I'm going to show you is going to be the Elise hoops. These are so cute and dainty. You can definitely dress them up or dress them down. Perfect for like a ponytail style or either a nice sleek shortcut style. What I love about Ana Luisa is they're a carbon neutral, sustainable jewelry company. So whatever they take from the environment, they put back in, and I do love that about them. Now here's the next that I'm going to show you. This is the Ava set. This is the Ava necklace trio, and this set is going to be about $125. What I love about this set is you don't have to purchase each necklace separately. They come all together. So very affordable and chic, might I add. Okay, very on trend with the layered necklace look. And look how all the pieces layer very well together. I have a full jewelry wardrobe on with my necklace, my earrings, and my ring, and I look super chic and cute in this. So definitely check them out for your holiday gift giving needs. They have a holiday sale going on right now, so take advantage of it. Link will be in the description box. Hey my dolls, I'm coming at you guys today with a review being brought to you by elephantstyles.com. They were kind enough to send me out one of the newest Outre units from their Perfect Hairline series, and I have the Perfect Hairline 13 by 6 lace front Charisma, and I have Charisma in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. She is a heat safe 400-degree unit. She is going to be synthetic, of course. You are going to get your cap construction, 3 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and the elastic band, which is really useless for me because it never really does anything. But and then you are going to get your frontal area. Now this is not a true 13 by 6, but you do get a frontal area. I really wish they would stop saying 13 by 6 because you really only get most of your parting here, from here to here in this middle area, and then on the sides you only get a little bit of parting. 13 by 6 would literally cover this entire, almost half of this cap. So yeah, I really hope they stop saying 13 by 6. But anyway, y'all know with this Perfect Hairline series, the hairline is going to come pre-plucked for you, so you do not have to do any plucking or anything like that. And it comes with the lace attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, add my liquid foundation underneath here, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw her on, and then we're going to get to styling her. If you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing right now, this is Outre Safira, and I do have her card right up here so you guys can catch that review. So just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and throw on Miss Charisma. Also, I am done styling Charisma. This is Outre's perfect from Outre's Perfect Hairline, so y'all already know. Let's go ahead and get into the hairline. Okay, look at the hairline. Do y'all see that hairline? Do y'all see the hairline? Outre always gives us a bomb hairline with this collection, so it's definitely perfect. You know, you don't necessarily have to go in and lay the baby hairs down or anything like that. If you choose not to, you definitely can wear it without the baby hairs. But I like the fact that they added the baby hairs to this wig, but they weren't overly done. They weren't too thick, too long. They were just right. So I'm definitely loving that about it. But baby, oh, I did that, y'all. I had to go off camera to do all this because I was like, I'm on camera. I can't really see what I'm doing too well because I don't have my mirror in front of me. So I had to go in the bathroom and I was like, let me make sure I am doing this right. So I did go ahead and I added some pomade just to give it a little bit of height, and I added some heat just to tone it down some so it'll look, you know, like, so I can definitely, you know, highlight the hairline and things like that. And then I went in, as you guys seen, I went in with my wide tooth comb to comb the curls out. That's where I had the problem, dolls. Now, I was so happy about the hairline. I was like, I know the hair is gonna, you know, this texture has to be bomb. Dolls, I know y'all can hear that. Like, I can hear, so I know y'all can hear. So I'm not really loving the texture, and I was hoping that at this price point it would at least be, you know, a human hair blend, but they gave us straight synthetic and it sounds like synthetic. Okay. She is definitely sounding synthetic, so I was hoping, you know, the texture would be just a little bit better, but I understand why they did the, you know, the yucky texture for this, you know, so the curls will hold their curls a lot longer and they won't, you know, and they won't fall too soon. But yeah, I really just wish for, you know, a better grade of hair that they could have used. But overall, as far as the wig in itself goes, the length, was not liking the length. The length was definitely making it tangle a whole lot. So I had to go in and fight with this thing with my wide tooth comb. I got tired of fighting and I was like, you know what? Time to play it dirty. Get them scissors out and cut you. And that's what I did. I cut her. She flows a lot better, and I'm liking that. She flows a lot better now that she does not have the dead weight from that extra hair due to the length. And this is how much I cut off. I cut off quite a bit of hair, so you guys can see why it was giving me dead, you know, it was weighing the wig down. This is a lot of hair that I cut off. She does shed, she does tangle, but she's not tangling as much, you know, now, but she does shed. Of course, this is a synthetic wig. She is going to shed on you. Okay. So yeah, overall, what do I think of Charisma? I really, really like her. She's definitely great for the holidays. So, you know, we're home for the holidays. She's going to give us a holiday vibes. She's getting us holiday ready, especially for those family pictures, the Zoom parties that we're going to, you know, to be with our loved ones. And, you know, she's really, really pretty. I do like her. Do I recommend her? I definitely do. Yes, the price point is a little high up there, but this collection is no you know, no stranger to that higher price point, and I understand why. But yeah, check out charismaelevatestyles.com. I will leave the purchase link down below in the description box. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram. I'm A All Day on both platforms. Thank you so much for staying home with me and catching my home for the holiday series. I really do appreciate it. The next video, make sure you guys check that one out, because I have one out coming very, very soon. In my home for the holiday series, it may include possibly a cooking video. Of course, it will include some fashion, just so I can show you guys, you know, how to, you know, glam up your holiday fashion while you're at home. And then it may possibly include me showing you how I decorate my home for the holidays. Okay, so dolls, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you so much for watching, as always. And oh, definitely check out Ana Luisa Jewelry for all of your gifting needs this holiday season. They have everything that you need. They have the earrings, the necklaces, the rings. They have bracelets. Check them out for your gift giving needs. And dolls, I'm gonna go ahead and go now for real. Bye.